Turn to your left. There you go. Very good. All right, last one. Wow. To your left, the other way. To your left. There you go. Very good. All righty. All right, that's done. Take that pieces off. There you go. That's very good. I'm proud of you for that. Lift it back up again. All right, drop it in there. See if it falls in. Did it fall in?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, it sure did. Wow. Now it's there. Okay. Wait
Now we're going to put it down, right?
Yeah, you're going to put that down. Yep. And lock it in. Go ahead. Lock it in.
Can't do it.
Right, look. Right here. Like that. Do it here. I want you to do it. Okay, here you go. You push it down, all the way down.
I do have this right. Uh-oh.
Go ahead. Press it down. Press the button down here.
Is that right in the middle
I'm
right there?
going to show you how to do it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
I don't know how to do it.
I'm going to show you. Here, like this. Look. Like that.
Okay.
You had it right. Go on here.
Okay.
There you go. Now you press down on this button here. See it? That's it. That's it.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
Did I go too much?
No, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep, you got it almost lined up. You got to line them up.
Oh.
You got it. It's
Did I
okay.
do something?
No, you didn't do. That's perfect. Let me start it for you. Hold on a second, sweetie.
I'm stuck.
That's okay. It's because that's okay. Leave it alone. It's done. All done. All done. You're good. See that? Perfect.
You could do it.
I'm gonna fix it.
It's not funny.
All right, I'm gonna stop. Yep. You do all four of them, okay? Don't press too hard. Okay, now the other side. No, this side here. Over here. Over here. This side right here. Do that one.
This one?
Yeah. This is too high? How do you get so high? Hold on a second. Hold on. We gotta fix something here. It's too high. Let me start that. Wait. This is too high for you. There you go. Turn to the right.
Is that?
Yeah, that's to the right. Very good. Keep on turning.
Now over here?
Yep. To the right.
This way?
Yep. Turn. Do it all the way to
the right?
Yep. To the right.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
How do you do it?
Go all the way down. All the way down till it stops.
Stopping.
Okay, now do the other side. Other three. Mm-hmm. Well, easy.
Sorry.
That's okay. You don't have to press so hard. Okay. Keep on going. Keep on going.
Okay.
The other way, to the right. Wow, you know how to do that good. You're like an expert. Is it going down? No, we got stuck. Okay, hold on a second. I think it's too low. Where are you going, sweetie? You done? Yeah. Are we done working?
Yeah.
Huh? You give up? No, the other way, sweetie. The other way. To your left.
This way?
Yep. Is it coming out? You have to press down on it. It might be too big. left.
Okay.
Left. Turn it hard. There you go. Okay. Is it out? Yeah, it's out. You put it on here. Because you're going to need it. No, leave it on the screwdriver. You'll need it.
Okay.
It'll stay there. There's a magnet holding it. All right, take this part out of here. Open that package up. Do the end, yeah. Careful with the screw over here. All right. It's already open. It should come right open. Yeah, pull the other one. Isn't that coming? Pull it. You can do it. You can do it. Wow. Okay, hold the camera. It's so hard. There we go. I got it here. Now take that piece out. Take that piece out of there. Yep. All right, we're going to put that. See this? Turn that around. There you go. Now we're going to take those slots and put it inside here.
You said we're going to touch it?
No, I don't touch it. Put them inside here. Right, look.
Here?
Yeah, turn it around. The other way. Let me show you. Like this. Like that. Put it this way.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, well, right there. See? And you push it in. Push that in. Push in. This way, in. This way. Towards that. Got it? Let's see. There we go. Now we're going to take that little screw you took out and put it back on here.
Okay.
Uh-oh, wait, make sure it's right. There you go. And then you turn to your right. Oh, fix it. You can fix it. Fix it on there. I'll hold this down. Go ahead. There you go. You're good. That's fantastic. Give me 5. You're a natural. I can't see. Can you see? It's kind of dark. Let me get a flashlight real quick. There we go. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Now press it down hard till it snaps in. Harder. Well, go ahead. Put your hand out.
Like this?
I think we got it.
I'm going to stick this, right?
Yeah, it should pop right in. Did it pop in? Looks like it did.
Yeah, I don't see any more gold.
Yeah, you don't see no gold. You're right.
Not in the back. Not in the back, though.
All right, press it down now that I got it on for you because it's heavy. Now press it down so it snaps in. Push down this way. Yep, snapped in, ready? Yep. Let me see. Yep, it's in. Good girl. All righty. My technician got distracted with the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Yeah. And I knocked everything down. I can't get her to concentrate. All right, you guys, sweetie. All right, my technician is back and ready to go. Okay. All right, we're gonna take that big one, and we're gonna plug it in to that big slot right there.
Oh, here?
Right here. Find one of these big ones. I think this is it right here. This is it. Yeah. All right. Now see that slot?
Yeah.
You got it right? Yep, you gotta press it down.
I'm done.
You're done? Is it in all the way?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it is. You're right. Okay. Now we gotta find the one that goes on here. Look.
I don't have this stuff.
See right here?
I think I found it.
Let me see. This the other one looks like that. Another one that looks just like that one.
You sure?
That's it. Let me see what it says on there. Yep, CPU, that's it. Now, go ahead. Turn it the other way so it fits on the other way. It goes around the other way. The snap. There you go. Yeah. Huh? You got it? I can't see. Oh, there we go. It snapped in. All right, we got one more, sweetie. One more. See right here? The other one you had before? The other one? It looks just like this one here. Yeah, that's it. That's okay. That's just holding it together. That goes right on here. This part here. Yeah. Turn it the other way. Mm-hmm. Wow. I'm amazed.
All these other ones.
Huh?
All these other ones.
We might not need those because we're doing something different. So those might not be needed, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, go ahead. You got to plug that in.
Then you're not supposed to be touching it.
And you can touch it. There you go. That goes where it fits right in there. Now I want you to do it.
Okay. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, I am positive. Go ahead.
You do. I'll hold it.
Okay. There you go. Hold on. See how easy that was?
I don't like getting snacks.
Huh? You didn't like that one? Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at that part there. See how this part? See how it looks with the white part? Look, it goes right in here.
Sure?
You turn it upside down, I think. Yeah, just like that. Push it all the way in. There you go. Now grab the other one. Where's the other one at? Yes, and put it on top.
Like this?
Yep. Push it. Perfect.
It's not there.
Perfecto.
It's not in there.
Huh? It is in there. It is. You're good, sweetie.
Yeah.
No, it's in there. Thank you. And we have liftoff. Yeah. And my assistant is nowhere to see it.
I don't know what you're putting on.
You don't know what I'm going to put on there? And we're going to just build it to somebody else. Okay? We're going to install Windows 10. And just let it work. Okay? No, you don't go on the bed. The bed, okay? You can sit on the chair there. All right, thank you. There it is. I don't have a product key. Let me do Windows 10 Home. Next. Ah, there it is. And that's it. We wait till it installs and we're on our way. And still getting everything ready. And we've got liftoff. Cool. Okay. We're going to, okay. We're going to leave that for later. I'm going to shut it down. All set.
Let's do my bubble wrap so we can talk.
You sitting on the bubble wrap? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Now that
Huh? You ready here? Are you giving up? Are you done?
no, I'm just sitting here.
Okay. All right, we gotta put this part in here first. Look, so we can finish building this computer. Hey, bubble wrap girl. Okay. All right. This part here goes on first. It snaps on over here. Then you could do that?
No.
Hmm?
No.
I/O shield that I put in this part here. I didn't want her putting it in because it's sharp. Then once that's plugged in, we take the motherboard and we line it up with all the holes and the screw slots. And then we start putting the screws in through here. See that? First you have to get it all lined up so everything fits. There we go. Just pop right in. Okay. There's a few of them that's not going to work out, but that's okay. Most of them line right up. Yeah. Yeah, we just got the motherboard in the slots. I might have to take it back out to get this one to go line up with this hole. There's nothing here. This space right here, see? Okay, we're going to move this one here. You stand up to the slot that works for this other one here. Okay, it's kind of hard to work with one hand, but anyway, it's right there. That should be the right one. Tighten it up. Let's see if it's the right one. Put that motherboard back in. That should be it. Yeah, there it is. It's all lined up. Okay. Make sure those come out there lined up. And that middle one has the taller one right there. Boom. See that tall one right there comes out first? And there's no hole there for that, so it's gonna not have a screw. Screw here, here, there, and there. Should be 4 of them. That's all you need. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're gonna put the motherboard screws in. Like I said, there's 5 of them. I don't tighten them all the way down until I have them all in. All right, here's the graphics card. Very easy to go in. Basically, to make sure those slots are in the front there, and that's lined up. Oops. All right. Just gotta make sure that the slots are lined up. And those go in through there like that. And that's in there. You pop it in. You hear that snap. And you know you're good. Put the 2 screws in here, right through here. One there and one there. And plug in the power supply right there. And you're good. Here's the second cable right there. So you had the CPU power supply there. Second one is your main power supply there. All right, your next one's going to be for your graphics card. That goes right inside there. Like so. That's it.